Watch my husband cook noodles. You compare the one I made to his own. This is his own way of eating his noodles. Yeah, I don't like this type. This is just perfect for him. I Igbo man, that's so Igbo food they call their own. Husband's way of cooking noodles is just pour everything at once. He doesn't have time for what?
It's called noodles. 5 minutes. So everything has to be fast.
In 5 minutes, everything needs to be ready. Oh my god, I don't like this type of noodles.
That's why you are not going to eat now. It's for me, not for you.
Serere.
No serene anywhere. Can you explain to us how to cook a very fast indomie?
Hey God, I beg.
Because I can't see the reason why you come for my back.
Babe, I will ask you to explain how you cook this type of indomie noodles. Hey, I just pour everything at once. Even Theodora can make this type.
It doesn't bother me.
I say you're putting your pepper now. It's okay. Oh, how would my husband be using this spoon for this non-stick pot?
Okay, I use this one.
That one is better. We have to teach you everything.
No vex.
The most chaotic
You see now, you say I should not put this in now. I'm still wondering why they use water to preserve this instead of oil. This is no taste.
Water don't pass, Gary.
Relax. Pata will always filter the water.
Hey, God, I beg. I know they don't give me, but why you put salt? I forgot. I don't reckon that part. I for sure people say they put salt for noodles. Okay, we'll come back and show you the results. Nothing. You don't miss anything.
Apple.
I don't put apple. So my husband knows this is ready. Not too much serere. This is how he likes his noodles. Plenty onion. Thank you for watching. See you guys. Look at that. Say, what do you have to say?
See how the thing.
Oh yeah.
Smoky, delicious indomie made by an expert.
Why is the expert?